Hi chat, welcome to the stream. How we all doing today? Oh, what day is it? It is Monday, April 18th of 2022, and we are back for yet another stream. Hopefully you all had a good weekend. Easter if you celebrate it, discount chocolate day if you don't. I stole that joke, it's not mine. I was like, I had it all planned out. I was like, oh, I was gonna go to Costco and get groceries and stuff. Nope, Costco's closed on Easter, so I wasn't able to do that. But other than that, record some videos. Got the 420 video will go up on 420. I had to record it twice though because I had the robot noise problem happen again. I need a fucking haircut. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Yeah, I'll go get a haircut tomorrow. But yeah, I had a pretty good weekend beyond that. Let me say hi to everyone who is here, and then we will jump into things. John MV1 was here before the stream started. An hour, almost an hour before the stream started. JJMC was first today. Hello, hello, JJMC. Good to see you again. Indie Monkey is also here. Stonkfish, hello, hello. Koninggeist, welcome back. Fixter J, good to see you again. Lambs says hola, hola. Welcome, welcome. On Nightly is also here, as is X. Welcome, welcome. And Lady Kami-sama, hello, hello. Space Warfare Development, welcome to the stream. Who says, hello, anthonywritescode. I am new to your stream. You are indeed welcome. Hopefully you enjoy your stay. Rollers is also here. How you doing, Rollers? So I saved the satisfying merge all the things clicky clicky for the actual stream, so we will do that in a second. You're saying hello again. I see you, Stonkfish. The Asian stores are open on Easter, making that money on the holidays. Yeah, the other grocery store was open because I went to... When did I get there? Oh, I got conditioner because I was at a conditioner. I was like, well, I guess I'll just go get conditioner then. Conan Guy says, I haven't opened Twitch on my iPad right when you went live and it dropped into the stream automatically. Oh, it's awesome. Don't worry, Space Warfare Development. We don't bite, we just bonk. Which sounds funnier if if you're going by the British definition there. But yeah, I'm actually gonna wait to merge all these until we have to do something else because we're gonna be working more on deadsnakes today, and it is a lot of hurry up and wait. And so while we're waiting, I can click through all these. But let's go over what I did since last time and try and... You know what I can probably do? I can probably pluck these tabs over to here. And then... Yeah, let's do that this way. And then these tabs are going to go to the tab graveyard for a little while. while we do normal stream stuff. But let's look at open source since last time. I did one pretty big patch, which is this one. I also did this and this. Yeah, and then these are the things we did on stream yesterday. So someone opened a bug on add trailing comma for the fucking match statement. Stupid match statement. But apparently this triggered a bug in add trailing comma, where a match class with no arguments caused add trailing comma to crash. It's our buddy the ass error. So pretty easy to fix. Basically just skipped checking things that don't have any arguments. Because they can't have commas. I mean, they can have fucked up parentheses, but they can't have commas, so whatever. It's good enough. But yeah, added a little test for that, added a little fix for that, and bumped the version and made a release. So that was real easy fix there. I hate it when I forget to pass my arugula. Wait, what? Because I can't say arguments correctly because I'm silly and brain broken. The other thing I noticed, I was reading through error logs in Frequency I. I basically check these once every 2 weeks or so. And this one had happened so infrequently that it had slipped through all of my error checks. But apparently there's another webhook that I should have known, of course. There's a webhook for auto merge enabled, and there was one for auto merge disabled, and I wasn't filtering out the disabled one, and so it was causing an error. So I just fixed that. What I would really love to know is if there's a way that I can just tell GitHub, yo, don't waste my time with all of these webhooks, because I'm not listening to them. But as far as I can tell, there isn't. I could probably filter them out at like a load balance or something, but right now I'm paying Lambda executions for all of these, which, I mean, it's literally 0.000000000 cents, so it's like almost not worth it. But the engineer in me is like, stop computation when not needed. But whatever. But yeah, I added one more. This silenced some 500 errors that weren't this key error right here. Well, I guess this non-implemented error. Which, now that I think about it, I don't need this. I think I can just let this re-raise. Why did I do this? Was there a reason for this? View file. Let's see. There might have been a reason. I think the reason maybe is that changes it from a 400 to a 500. Because I think Flask treats care as oh, literally all added in one commit. Well then. Oh wait, no, this is when things got refactored. I'd have to trace it back further than that. Yes, we do this. Raise. And what is in the contents of this? Event. Event. I don't want HP. Mostly working repository association. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Anyway, doesn't super matter. But just a thought I had. Oscar also, hello. I'm more of a cilantro guy myself. Are cilantro and arugula even close? I guess they're both a leafy green, but you can like have a salad of arugula. I don't think you would have a salad of just cilantro though. Kiva, welcome, welcome. Wholesome thought, good to see you again. The Chosen One says Twitch in the browser is so bad I can't. What? I think it's fine. It's fine for me. Less clock cycles equals less carbon footprint. Yeah. Fewer clock cycles, even. Actually, that's a weird one. Because I would say less carbon footprint, but I would say fewer clock cycles. Because they're accountable. Either way. Mostly working is always great to see. Yeah. Sammy D says, is it bad practice to put config settings in a config.py file versus putting everything in YAML and JSON and loading the dictionary? It doesn't matter. I actually think the former is easier if you are not doing external reading of it. Because then you don't have to deal with YAML or JSON. But if you are distributing it in any particular way, or reloading it, or doing, you know, other structured reads of it, then you would want them separately. Make too much of a difference. TryVanilla.js says, hey my guy, a bit of a bike shouting question. When type editing, do you prefer from typing import dict or just standard dict? Why would I import if I don't need to import? I use dict where possible. I use the lowercase ones. They are newer and better. And if you want to enforce one of them, you can set up Pi upgrade, which will do that for you. IL Parmy, welcome, welcome. With a rate of 1. How you doing? Welcome to the stream, Raider. Not Raiders. Cilantro salad is fun to say. Cilantro salad, cilantro salad, cilantro salad, cilantro salad, cilantro salad. I don't get it. You said it was fine to get another reload error. Oh, that sucks. That's unfortunate. To the Moon says, hey Anthony, do you have any websites for Python to exercise? I assume you mean like to practice? My recommendation for practicing is to build projects. Figure out an idea that you want done, and then build it. Doing pointless exercises is not super conductive to learning because you're not really exercising what you're doing. You're just regurgitating and doing it to do it rather than doing it for your own personal benefit. Levi Dane, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Super Fishu, welcome to the stream. Hey guys, what's happening here? Not too terribly much. We were taking a look at some code. But this is the big thing that I did. We actually did this on stream a long time ago. We made parsing way zoomier, and I decided to finally upgrade pip so that pip is way zoomier. Going from 571 milliseconds to start up to 431, which is about a 25% improvement, which is not too shabby. Just by bumping the version of parsing that is rendered in pip. Kiva, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, pretty significant improvement. Pretty happy about this. Taka, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. But yeah, that's what I've done since last time. Yeah. And let's take a look at auto update day since it has completed, I believe. I do believe. Oh. E buzzing phone. Oh, big sword. Sure, it's I haven't. Pog, says Kiva. I see you're using ADS. Any gripes about it? I mean, I can gripe about literally anything. But ADS is working pretty well for what I need it to do. Why is my water not cold? I just got it. Weird. What does frozen import lib.bootstrap mean? Where are you seeing that? In a stack trace? So there are special modules in Python that are referred to as frozen modules. And the way they work is a little bit complicated. Basically, Python pre-compiles the bytecode and sticks it in a C file. And so they have like a bunch of weird runtime behaviors that look a little bit different, but they basically act just like normal modules. They're just slightly inline optimized to, and it's not exactly true either. They're not actually that significantly faster or optimized, but wow. We didn't even scale up today? Damn, those C6s hit different. We scaled up once to 4 units? This is like the quietest auto update day in forever. Almost too quiet. Wild. But that's kind of cool, I guess. Any gripes about ADRS? I don't know. Their web face has always been bad. But all websites suck, so. I wish they made it easier for me to filter things out in API Gateway, but I can't really complain because it's so fucking cheap. But now the server, hello, hello, welcome back. I'm back from vacation. How you doing? How did the start at Center go? It went well. I actually, funny story about that. I had a chat with the CEO today. Just to like do a little intro chat, and he's like, he leads with, so I saw one of your YouTube videos, and I'm like, oh no. Oh no, which video did you see? And then he says, and I showed it to my wife, and I'm like, uh-oh. Oh boy. Apparently this like got passed to him from somewhere. But he watched this video. The why I left, oh, stop. The why I left Stripe video. And yes, that was an interesting lead up to the conversation. Fella, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Orimus, how you doing? Flotsdrew, good to see you again. When deprecating function, do you add new tests for that deprecated feature? Do you mean like add tests for the deprecation warning? Usually I do, but then I don't bother maintaining deprecated functions. Just like keep them alive until I delete them. Gabernat, hello, hello. Not many PRs today, guess not many tool releases. Yeah, that makes sense. The only one that I know of is add trailing comma, because I did that. That's probably why the graph is so flat. In my case, the test only covering the new undeprecated stuff. Yeah, that makes sense. I would just keep it like that. Hey, what's up, baby astronaut? Hello, hello. Monk ass, yeah. A lot of monk ass in the chat here. What's his point of view on the video? He's like, man, you had a rough situation that you went through. But his point in the discussion was, he was like, look, this is what tech people do when they quit their job now. They make a YouTube video out of it. And I was like, I mean, yeah, I did, but guess he now knows to only give you Java work if he wants you to quit. Yeah, exactly. But I thought that was, I found that amusing. It was not the icebreaker I expected of the conversation, but it was fine. But yeah, anyway. Anything's kryptonite? I can write Java, I just don't prefer to. But anyway, this is pretty smooth graph. We're this number's creeping up again. We're at 7,100. I guess we can get the actual number. CloudWatch. I was just on a CloudWatch. Could have just clicked the button. Long groups. This one. This one. Yes. Let us see. 7,183. That makes sense. So this is non-fork repositories or forks in private repos. Or no, forks in paying customers. So that number makes sense. My CEO is a billionaire. It would be nice to have one a bit closer to my level. Yeah, I'm what? 1, 2. Well, I guess I don't think the top of my reporting chain would be CTO, not CEO. But I'm like 2 or 3 levels away. Pretty close. Kiva says, how did you get into open source? Do I have a video on that? I feel like I get asked this a lot, and I feel like I have a video on this, but I also forget. How did you get started with programming? Huh. Maybe it's not in this playlist? I guess I answer how one could get started in open source, but I guess I don't really talk about my journey into open source. Yeah. Like this one's close. But I guess we talk about my specific journey into open source. Some of it was just like I built cool personal projects and put them out there. Some of them were I used things and were like, oh, there's bugs here, or oh, here's a feature I would want to add, and just contributed to stuff. And some of it was like I used stuff and the person using it or the person maintaining it was like, I don't really have time to maintain this anymore. But does anyone here know the interactive website to learn Python that you had to pay $50 to get access to? Don't know what that is. Google, it's free. My CTO is a crazy dude, so that chain is also a bit weird. Supercuber, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, Hidden has a pretty cool Twitch name. How old is your account? It's gonna be real old. 2007. Damn, an OG. Did you need permission in the contract for YouTube and pre-commit CI as it's kind of a second job? I did not. I made sure to be like, yo, I do this on the side, and they're like, oh, that's awesome. We're super excited that you do stuff on the side. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Guess I don't have to be any be a problem here. In fact, they want me to maybe do stream specifically to promote that Sentry is open source and that like I would do some like DevRel stuff. I was like, okay, cool. I was just gonna stream anyway and ask for forgiveness. But if you want to be proactive about it, sure, fuck it, let's do it. So I have like a meeting with marketing next week to be like, yo, I stream. Here's an opportunity to reach a bunch of people that would be super excited about stuff that I work on. Yeah. I think it's here's the thing that's just like kind of crazy to me. It's I'm in week 2 and we're doing planning for the next quarter. So I'm already doing project planning and it's week 2, which is I'm excited about. It's gonna be good. Oh, is the bot broken? What the fuck? Sorry about that. Alright, try it again, Ormus. Oh, I was the one who fucked it up. Oh, it died. Damn it, I gotta fix this. I still don't know what the problem is there. My bad, my bad. To be honest, anything you have to pay for is probably scams, so don't bother. Yeah, some of them can be good, but you can also get there's a ton of free information, especially in programming. Julia X55, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Send Nudes is also here. How you doing? Mewtru says I just want True. Right? How you doing, True? How you been? How's life? Do they have 3-letter usernames? Could I be AWC? I feel like AWC is worse branding. Oh, they probably just don't have 3-letter variable names. Variable names? Usernames. Words. Fix Jink says as I sit here looking at my Sentry dashboard. Nice. Hey, what's up, the Jel Mega? How you doing? Good to see you again. What's your favorite component of the company? Any cool projects / tools? So, admittedly, I don't know too much about specific internal tech at the moment. Well, everything's open source except for like billing and pod configuration to run our hosted platform. So pretty much all the components are open source, and I think that's the coolest part to me, is just that Sentry really embraces the open source first model to things. But I don't know anything I don't know specific tools yet. I'm not quite that far in. True says, not great depressed AF. Oh no. Oh no. That sucks. Yeah, I feel ya. I had a hard time getting out of bed on Saturday. No particular reason. Just one of those days. Onboarding at Stripe 4 weeks. Second week at Sentry, already deep into the projects. A very nice change. Yeah, exactly. It's a very refreshing change. Oh, AOC has one? Yeah, they probably did that special. Yeah, they probably did that special. Damn, look at this fucking million followers. I'm actually pretty close to my next thingy thing. What are they called? Milestone. We could maybe hit it this stream. Well, I don't usually get 100 followers this stream, so maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. So Micah says, that thing with the bank I mentioned last time, one of the people in that group just had a main from that bank that basically said, hey, you're not getting your money back. Holy shit, that's fucked. That sucks so much. Hi, Rith. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Pochel says, was the OS factor a big part of your decision? Like open source? Yeah. I think, I mean, I've always wanted to work at a smaller place, and one that embraces open source is pretty sick. Will you learn Lust? Will I learn Lust? Will I learn Rust? I probably won't have to do too much Rust for my position, but I will learn whatever I need to learn to get the job done. And if that means doing some roost, I would be happy to do some roost. As long as it's not chop. Did you look at the code when researching the company? How's the code quality? It leaves some to be desired, but at least there's, you know, good linters and code formatters set up, so they are in the right direction. But code can, you know, all code's garbage, and you know, things will eventually trend towards improving. I think like the biggest thing that needs improvement right now is test what's the word, hygiene. But we'll make strides in that direction. Al Gore, hello. You would even learn W3. I don't know what's W3. Oh, Web3. No, fuck that cringe. I'd quit. Camilo BP, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Yeah, which was also another reason to leave Stripe. Crypto cringe shit now. Orman says, I've been partially doing some Lua recently, and I really like it. Or I kind of like it. Not switching from Python, but this is a NeoVim plugin, which is kind of fun. Yeah, I've heard good things about Lua. No Man Pixel, hello. Welcome. What do you got? What do you got here? What is this link? What are we looking at? What are we doing? Review with the senior Python developer. I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'll check it out later. But welcome. Right. Yes, we were checking the graphs before I got distracted. So not many runs today. I want to check some errors real quick. Already. Oh wait, no, I didn't look at these. Body null. That's a different one. $500. Okay, GitHub having some issues, I guess. Wait. Wait. What? Is Microsoft using frequency I? No fucking way. This has got to be someone's fork, right? Okay, it's just. I was gonna say that was gonna be pretty wild. That's not what I expect there. Another 500. I guess GitHub had a little sadness today. Anyway, the other thing that we usually check is the number of runs that we are up to. We were at 600,000 last week, somewhere around there. 617,000. That's a lot. That's a lot in 1 week. Any updates on the Azure sponsor? Did it get scheduled? I have not been scheduled yet. I haven't heard in 3 days. Admittedly, it took me 5 days to get back to her, so we're a bit on the like playing telephone back and forth. But in theory, it should be sometime in May. I'm trying to ask for a weekend to do that because now I have work, so lol. But yeah, I don't have any updates on that. Classic GitHub, yeah. Test hygiene, is that tests that alter global states that can be flaky on the render? It's kind of a mixture of things. Like we have a lot of flaky tests, we have a lot of slow tests, and we have a lot of tests that are just like warning noise that people just ignore. Also there's this bit of thing that's not so great. Where is it? Is it in here? Is it in? Yeah. I mean, this part's not great. Where's the redrive policy? Is that in a different place? Tests that require iTunes interaction. What? What? Uh. What? Put in the conf test? I don't know. Somewhere there's a configuration that has tests retry 6 times when they fail, which is a little bit nuts. In here? No, but that's also something I'm like, why are we building Webpack as part of the tests? But yeah, it's mostly around flaky tests and test speed and the false positive and false negative rates on those. Hey, what's up, D-Dells? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Things are going well on Monday, on this moon day and Elfin Rider, right? Test requires iTunes. Like, what? What? What could possibly require iTunes? Someone says, what is Sentry even? They do error reporting and monitoring for web apps, games, mobile apps, etc. You can't tell me everything is great when it's snowing right now. Yes, speaking of snowing, I have this photo that I took today. And then it snowed way more after the photo. But it snowed so much that I was able to make a snowman today. Which is kind of nuts. But yeah, now there's like 2 inches of snow on the ground outside right now. In the middle of fucking April. Can I make Sentry play music when I get errors? I don't know that it can do that. Oh, you're using it for your game's crash reports. Nice, nice. Do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, in April, right? Right? You forgot about fall spraying prior to the end of winter? Winter ended like several weeks ago, right? Did you move within the Arctic Circle? No. I think you're further north than I am. You're in New York, right? Maybe not. Dude, what the fuck? Why does it put me here? Yeah, I'm clearly at this Tractor Supply Company. That's like really far away from... Is that where it thinks my ISP is? I'm down here. I guess New York City is a little bit further south. Okay, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm a little bit wrong. Yeah. Okay. Fair. Fair enough. But yeah, I'm right here. Not that cold. Oh, you're in London right now. Oh, well then. We gotta zoom out a little bit further. Oh yeah, you're way more north than I am. You're at what? 51st parallel? And I'm at the 48th? No, don't click on Detroit. Give me a little thing. 42nd parallel. Yes, you're further north than I am. I'm like right where you pointed, but a little northeast. You're like right over here somewhere. Or over here. Neat. Neat. London was amazing this weekend. Oh. London has the Gulf Stream though. It's been delightful this weekend. Nice. To give you an idea, New York is as far north as Rome. Give me a number. 41. And then we got Rome. 42. Well, yeah, pretty close. Huh. Oh, cool. Orland says, are you married? No, I am not. Hello, more north than Auburn Hills. Oh, I grew up in Lake Orion. I grew up in Lake Orion, so I'm familiar with Auburn Hills. Where the fuck is it though? There we go, Orion Township. So this is like Auburn Hills here. And I grew up, let's see, on this street? No, this one right here. Right here. This is where I used to live. Damn, that tree's gotten huge. And my best friend lived right here. But then I moved, so I don't live there anymore, so it's not relevant. Then I lived in Oxford. But kind of neat. I'm in the third winter, safe to open for stream. Okay. Well, I'm still gonna open it off stream. Just to double check. I don't want chat to trick me here. Winter, fool's winter, second winter, spring of deception, third winter. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty true. Midwestern Ope. It's such a great name. It's spot on. In Dutch, we literally have a name for snow in April. April's Krullen. Oh. Now everyone can stalk me? Yeah. You know, the 50-mile square chunk. They know exactly where you are, Stonefish. You do it in English too, it's called snow. So I noticed something interesting today. Do we remember this giant this PR with 53 comments? Today one of the maintainers rebased it. I'm not sure why. They were also one of the ones that was like, please no, if I remember correctly. Where are their comments? Did they delete their comments? Anyway. They rebased my branch. I don't know why. I'm hoping it gets merged, but that also happened today. I was very confused. Hey, what's up, Cyber Benny? Hello, hello. Hey, hey, Gustavo, welcome to the stream. Look at the bot being clever there. There's a ridiculous amount of words for rain in Dutch. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, so we checked up on auto update day. Oh, we gotta look at dead letters. We haven't had a dead letter for auto update in a very long time. I doubt we will see one today. Oh. Nice and empty, which is great. This system has been very reliable, which is nice. Time to upgrade to 2204. Yeah. Yeah, that's part of what we're gonna be working on today. What are these fine tunes? Yeah, it's not quite that clever, Cyber Bunny. It's not quite that clever. Okay, last time what we did is we got 3.9 working for Bionic, but we did not get it working for Focal. And I gotta figure out what's different between these two. Oh no. Oh no. What could possibly be different in here? Oh, did I fuck things up? What? I am confused. Oh, for some reason this patch is here. Very weird. But in theory, I can just sync the patches, so that's actually not so bad. And then I gotta sync all the other files. Alright, that's not too bad. Check out Ubuntu Bionic to Debian. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Debian/patches. There we go. Also, I think I can actually upload 3.11 for Jammy. I need to check on 3.9 and figure out what's up with that. There we go. Ubuntu vocal. Nope. Jammy. Let's see. Does Python 3 distutils? Oh, you can't see this off screen. Does this pull in 3.9? Question. I think it said it there, but I missed it. It does not. Oh, did they finally do the thing I asked them to do? What does this do? Oh. Oh, they got rid of it. Okay. Good. Do they have 3.11 in here? No. Okay. Good. Perfect. That is what I want to see. I have to update service from 20 to 2204. Are there any potential considerations for in-place updates? I don't do it all that often. I usually don't do in-place upgrades, but I would recommend waiting. If you're going to do an in-place upgrade, I would recommend waiting at least a month before doing it because they usually fix things in the installer after the release. And I think they even hold back the upgrader until after the release. I'm going to be making a new VM from scratch. If I keep asking that question, will you add that? You can add it. Code's on GitHub. Feel free to send a patch. Irma says, is there a standard wait period for people to release updates to their PPAs when Ubuntu upgrades, or is it just fingers crossed? No. There is not. There's no standard at all. Which is why I'm gonna be doing it today. Or some of the things today. We're at least gonna get 3.8 or 3.8, 3.10, or no, 3.11. How do I enable it? Change details. Is there not a thing? Do I just upload it and it just goes? Things go burr? I don't remember how this works. I don't know. Okay, so now we need to do this, and we need to slowly add the things. We can add you, Debian get ignore. Yep. Let's do you first. Get checkout -p in you. I know I need to discard some stuff here. Discard. I believe the answer is no. We do want to discard this. No. Yes. 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 Yep. Uh-huh. Oh boy. Detail says, I'm going to fart around with a quick QEMU VM on my Proxmox instance to make sure most of my stack is still available, which is basically docker.compose. That should be easy. I don't suggest farting on your computers. Yeah, what is this? This is cake fart for computers? But you also don't suggest not farting on them. Hey, what's up, Imperial? Welcome, welcome. And Chocolate. Have you ever been tempted by Git graphical user interfaces? No. I have not. The last graphical user interface I used was Tortoise SVN in like 2009. It's been a long ass time. I think I can just apply this. Discard you. Okay. Okay, now Debian rules, which is going to be the tricky one. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Yep. Oh boy. Yes. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep. No. And no again. And yes. Yep, again. Yep. Okay, this is where things get wacky, wild, weird. We want to card at least that part, but we want this part. So we're gonna have to split. We want split, and we want no, and we want no, and then we want yes, 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 yes. Oh shit, wait a sec. I think we want to cut those out. Not sure. Nomad Pixel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. But Jammy releases, I'm going to do a fresh install and bare metal on my framework, although I might wait a week for things to be updated and bugs to be found and fixed. Yeah, it makes sense. It's got Proxmox up and running, no desire to change, at least right now. I use Git UI. When I need to get at this P more precisely, then Git will let me. But you can use S. I don't have it here, but you can use S and E. Hey, what's up, Andre Costa? Hello, hello. Stage this junk. No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Okay. Which I think means I can discard the rest of this. Test in there. Okay. Bon HH, thank you for the resub at 1 year. Holy shit, thank you for your continued support. That'll get you a fancy new badge, and welcome back. It's good to see you again. Melting Lava says the only Git interface I've ever liked is Maggot. Maggot has had some like weird bugs. Sometimes it can't split the hunk. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, split that hunk. Know what I mean? Serial Killer says, have you ever used Docker for local development? Yeah, that's actually a big part of how the deadsnakes builds work. Is I don't have a a real instance of a whole bunch of different machines, so Docker makes that work very, very easily for me. But I tend to avoid it when I don't need it. Undercast says, really enjoyed your last video, by the way. I really need to get back to the habit of running in the mornings before work. Yeah, I gotta get back to the habit of waking up early. I used to use Docker, but it slowed my whole system down like molasses, so the first thing I do when I reboot is open activity monitor and kill anything with Docker name. Oh, you probably just change your startup stuff. Or uninstall it. But yeah. Cortex Evo says, how do we justify to ourselves that spending this much time on a keyboard is normal? Maybe all of civilization is inching toward keyboard lives. Trying to get philosophical up in here? What are you talking about? Ethan! Thank you for the resub at 32 months. Wait, didn't you sub last stream? Is this Twitch glitching on you again? How you doing? Good to see you again. You disable your VPN? Hopefully you're doing well. Bash F control. No. Debian rules control file. Alright, git diff Debian control. Yes. Sync with Debian upstream. Just to make sure things are in good state. Okay, that's good. Debian change log. Let us bump to focal 2. Sync with Debian upstream. Alright, we can do our first channel point bet of today. Will the build succeed? I'm pretty confident that it will, so I know how I would bet. But good luck. Last stream was my sub anniversary. This is an actual reset. Oh, I see. I see. Cool, cool. Waking up early. Are you meaning to say it's not normal to wake up 15 minutes before working? I mean, that's kind of what I'm doing right now, which is not ideal. But keyboards are but an extension of our hands. What we need is thought computers? No, we do not need the computer to know more about what I'm thinking inside my head. No, we do not. We do not need that. We do not need that. Okay, good. My VPN is off. Nice, nice. How you doing? Do one. Hello, hello. I was just looking into split keyboards. How do you feel about the freestyle? I'm not a fan of the keyboard. If you want to learn more about it, I did a video where I kind of review it and stuff. Admittedly, I got this keyboard for free, so full disclaimer, this was via a sponsorship at one point in time. Taking a bath in the morning is a good way to wake up for work. I haven't taken a bath in a long time. You been taking a bath? I guess I have a tub. Yeah, I could take a bath. The rich need to get richer on this bed. What did you predict on this? How many points did you throw? Are you throwing away here? You put 2K on no. 5 people said no though. ZDW, how you doing? Put in 20K on yes. Some confidence there. Some belief. Debuggy says time to get some points. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be yes. Doing pretty well. Glad I sped up our CI earlier. Yeah, right. Silly Buttons, how you doing? The 6-foot commute from all the way from the couch to the chair kills me. Yeah. I at least have. I go to a different room. Yeah, I feel ya. Okay. While that is going, we're gonna do a quick fest. This has failed 3 weeks in a row now. I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna do something about this today. Yeah, we've had the same problem 3 weeks in a row. I'm pretty sure the main branch update failed, so I'm gonna change the main branch back and then change it forward, and hopefully that'll fix it. Where is the thing that I did? Is it gone? That would suck. Scripts. Oh, here we go. Master to main autofix. All repos. .github API import rec. The repo is utility/API gateway to whiskey v2. And we're going to change it to master, and then we are changing it back to main. Yeah. And we need to import some stuff apparently. Why are you off by 1? Probably because I haven't pulled yet? Yeah. That is why I was off by 1. So now we do it again. Now if I do this and then lint again, it should have the right lines. Okay, cool, perfect. Perfect. Okay. 404 not found. Oh, it's API Gateway v2 to Whiskey. I know what my repo name is. Are you fucking kidding me? This is goddamn repo called. Where'd the window go? What? Oh. I gotta put main here. Okay, so that should have renamed main to master, right? Now you're master. Should that have re-triggered this PR? Maybe, maybe not. Now I'll change it back. Master to main. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully this is the last time I have to close and reopen this. Hopefully. We will see. Look at those tabs. Yeah. Yeah. They're a little nuts. The dude always says, just a believer here. Sounds good, sounds good. Monday, so I think we can bet however much we want. It's true. 600 on yes, I learned my lesson last time. We have infinite hot water via sun collector, so gotta use it instead of just taking quick 2-minute showers. Oh. That sounds nice. On a stream, I bet 50k points and got 150k in return, but it's rigged here. Hey, what's up, Crow? How you doing? What's the difference between doing from whatever import star and import star? There's no import star. You can't just do an import with import star. Oh. GitHub shakes fist, yeah. So you just go from all the tabs until all the X's become check marks? Yeah, that's what I'm starting with, and now we're gonna actually zoom out and then click merge button a bunch of times. So you ready for some real satisfaction here? Yes. Look at all of these PRs being merged. Oh, it's so nice. I don't need to go to therapy. I'm just gonna click merge pull request 100 times. Guys will literally merge 100 pull requests instead of going to therapy. It's a yoke, okay? It's bad yoke. I've been to therapy. It didn't work for me. Did I tell you guys that story about the last couple of times I've tried therapy? One of the times, I kind of got the feeling going in that the therapist was trying to manipulate me, and I don't like being fucked with. And when I can tell someone's manipulating me, I try and manipulate them back. And by the end of the session, that was weird. At the end of the session, the therapist was crying, so clearly we accomplished something in there. But anyway. There we go. We have merged all of the PRs. Presumably all of them. We will check the notifications list to make sure we got them all. They give you back the money? It was like insurance money, so it didn't really matter. Fake money. Imaginary. Which, I mean, I guess you get what you pay for. Kenbiko, how you doing? Thank you for the resum at 23 months. It is a lot of tabs. You're almost to that fancy final badge there. You're just 1 month away. How you doing? Good to see you again. Yet another pandemic sub. Wait, has it been 2 years? Oh my god, it has been 2 years. I feel like you were a pre-pandemic sub, Kenbiko. Am I just losing track of time? Here's the way to not add XML files even if I make changes to them. I rename my version names and it keeps getting added even with -u. Yeah, you could get ignore them. That would work. This is your therapist. We need time. You need a cigarette? No, I don't smoke. Oh, you're changing the Java version. Why don't you merge this? Why don't you make a script to merge them? Because it's more satisfying to do it this way. I've heard people say therapy was like hire friends. Yeah, it can be if you get a good therapist and like they're actually trying to help you. But anyway. How's it going, Tofu? Yeah, tabs are gone now. Yep. All repos approve and merge, automatically approves and merges all outstanding PRs for every repo. YOLO, yeah. I think it might have been, I only have a 22-month streak. Oh. It doesn't tell me that, though. It only tells me you're 23 months. Interesting. What's the difference between import math and from math import star? Well, the former will... They both cause the math module to get imported. The former makes a global name called math, and the latter makes 100 global names. Every member of the math module. So they change. They both perform an import, but the latter introduces more names. Just hire a friend. Just get a friend for free. You think it's that easy to get friends, Crow? Which one would be preferred if I wanted everything? Well, you should generally never use a star import. Generally. Make a cool terminal UI animation for merging them? I mean, I could, but why? But why? Okay, well, I thought that was gonna take longer than it did, but anyway. Hey, look, I bumped up the queue. Me. Do I see it on this graph? Yeah, donks. Kursad Kair, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. So the weird thing about this is it's not supposed to do this because it's approximate number of messages visible, but none of those messages should be visible. There should only be one visible message because they're in the same group. I don't quite, like, that feels like a bug. But they also put the word approximate in front of it, so they can probably just hand wave away anything that's broken. For FIFO queues, the result is exact. Huh. How do I make this webpage viewable? There are messages in the queue that are delayed and not available for reading immediately. No, we don't have delay. There are messages that are in flight. Messages are considered in flight if they have been sent to a client. Okay, I guess this makes sense. Maybe the value is correct. It's just not the metric that I want. So this is scaling up, and then there will be idle hosts not doing anything because they're lining up in a row. Yeah. Yeah. Which one makes them hate me the most? Star imports. People hate you if you use star imports. They are the worst. I think the number is right because each repo is a visible message. Yeah, they're visible, but they're blocked. I guess I would want some other metric, but none exists. I don't really feel like re-implementing SQS. I could, but I shouldn't. But I shouldn't. Okay, so while that's running, I think I can upload Jammy. I gotta do it in another directory though. Actually, I gotta build another one. Oh man, can't do 2 pulls at once. What am I gonna do? Well, it fell very quickly last time, so I'm pretty sure we'll know. We'll know. Yeah. Then next Python 3.11. You see, Shanty. Oh no. Git branch, git checkout, ubuntu focal, ubuntu jammy. And in theory, I can do runbooks build and try and wait, no. DCH-v jammy 1. Jammy, 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 jammy one. Package focal for jammy. Jammy, jammy one. I'm just hearing that in Gollum's voice. Are we talking blackberry or raspberry jammy? I mean, jams are just kind of good, right? Are there any bad jams? Do you know any bad jams, chat? I only know good jams. Good vibes only. Are you fucking kidding me? God damn it. Oh no. I bamboozled you. I bamboozled you all. uh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, believers. I've done fucking goofed. Well, we can do another prediction really quickly. This one is for the 311 build, the one that's running in this tab that I'm not gonna click on. Your 20k points, yeah. I'm sorry, Cindy W. You lost so many points. Paper Jams Dojo. Oh god. Morgal and Flip My Bet. Welcome, welcome. You win Babby's 21. You won 22k. Holy shit. Selective Duplicate. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? It's going well. It's going well. We just lost chat a bunch of points because I done fucking goofed. Libian rules. Alright, dist utils 2 to 3 Tkinter. Dist utils 2 to 3 Tkinter. Rebase me. Get the rebase dash I had carrots. We need 3 carrots. Can at least do that. Then we can F. Then we can rebuild this. What are we betting here? Wow, we got a lot of you've all switched to doubters now. Except for Indie Monkey. Technically didn't chat win points too. It's true, it's true. It's true. I just feel like the believers lost. Which feels bad. Feels bad, man. Don't really understand how review some of your code works. Does somebody link their side project and you rewrite their code to industry standard? Yes, within reason. That's kind of what happens. Many in chat simply trusted you. I've learned my lesson. Never trust Anthony. God damn it. You're all gambling away chatting points. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That is what's happening. All right, the bet has finished. It is still building. So I think it's gonna work. I'm more confident than the other one. I can't do 2 channel point bets at once. I guess we could just run this one in the background. You make me a believer. Wait, I don't know. The lyrics sound familiar. What is this song? Oh. Oh, it's Imagine Dragons. Yeah. I am familiar with the song, but I don't think I know the melody to sing it. So rough tofu. The monks in the temple near me rings a massive bell at 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. and the timing is amazing. I have an alarm set at the same time that they go off at the same time. That's pretty awesome. Perfect. You don't even need the alarm at that point, right? You just use the massive bells. Doing some fat LTO here. Kind of hear the song in my head, but not specifically. First things first. Yeah. No, wait. I kind of feeling it a little bit more, Ormus. There's no snooze button on the Buddhist monks. Could you imagine? Be like, hey, can you gong in like 15 minutes? I need a little bit more rest. If 10% of your daily job is ringing bells, you better be good at it. Yeah. Your engagement ring, Shamite, or is that part of the lyrics that I just don't know? How did that go, Ormus? Venomborgs. Hello. Scary stuff. Hey, but it means you're potentially gonna get married, which is kind of cool. Decided to return to my bed after letting Sudo out this morning. It was a wonderful decision. Nice. Hey, what's up, updated version? How you doing? Good to see you again. Are you done? No. Are you done? No. Neither of them are done. We'll work on frequency I while it's happening. I noticed this while reading some logs. There's cases where GitHub will error, and the app should be able to recover in that case, and still at least record the run and start it. But the way the code is written, it doesn't do that right now. And I think if I actually change this thing I have highlighted, that runs can start about 500 milliseconds faster. Every run, 500 milliseconds faster, which is pretty significant, I would say. They found a place online with a ring that she'll like. Ooh, with the price that I'm happy with too. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There's the real the real conclusion. What the fuck, Stack Overflow? This has happened like twice today, where it's like, oh, there's new questions in the tags that you follow, and then I click on this. There's fucking nothing. It'll show a little circle here if it's unread. Those features must just be broken. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, data version is all lowercase. You did change your name. At least you changed your casing, right? grep-il data version logs. grep grep-e sort unique-c grep-r wait, grep-yo yeah, wait what? That doesn't seem right. Doesn't seem right at all. Well, now I'm confused. Why are these numbers so small? Dash. I expect like tens of thousands of results here. Why does it seem like you only have hundreds of messages? I'm confused. Anyway. Citrus is here! Hello. Do you want to build a snowman? I did build a snowman. I showed it to you already today. How are you doing, Citrus? Good to see you. And have fun with the lurkin'. The lurkin'. And happy birthday, Citrus. But it's actually. Do using an eventually consistent data store and it's less than consistent. Yeah. I don't chat that often. You show up to lots of streams. I guess maybe that's... Yeah, we could see how often you chat. Chat rank, outdated version. 790 messages. Yeah, so when I only saw 60-ish messages, something's... Oh wait, no, I just can't read. I see. Yeah, okay. Checks out. It checks out. You only had 6 messages of the old name. Speaking of snowman, we got some flurries here today. Did you also? I made a snowman today. Look at my snowman tofu. Not a very good snowman, but it's a snowman nonetheless. I got that much snow. I got even more. There's like 2 inches on the ground right now. It's crazy. But yeah. Where's the carrot? Yeah, I didn't have a carrot. Didn't have a carrot. It's a blind and non-smelling snowman. It needs a hat. It's gonna get cold. Yeah. 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 Hey, what's up, Fire Rice? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. But I made snowman today. Needs hands to type on his keyboard. Yeah. Right. Okay. That looks like it's going well. This still hasn't finished. Nor has this one. Okay. Oh, it's probably slower. Yeah. The load average on my computer is 8. So it's going slower because both of them are running, which is predictable. But yeah, I wanted to fix this, which should be pretty easy. We're not going to be working on the GitLab stuff today, but I just wanted to rebrace the branch so that it's in a better state. I guess I should push it up. Oh, I had not pushed it before. Oh well. Eight what cores? I think I've given this machine 5 cores. A load average of 8 means that twice as many things are trying. Well, since I have 5 cores, say 5 somewhere in here. You'll just have to trust me that I've given this 5. If the load average was 10, it means it's trying to do about twice as much work as the processors can handle. A load of 5. Wait, no, is that how load works? I don't remember how. I think that's how it works. I should probably learn and remember and then actually tell you facts rather than guessing. Everyone who did chat rank joined in May 2020? No, I don't have data before 2020, May 2020. So if we look at logs, the first log is May 20th. That is when we implemented chat rank. And we have done 371 streams since then. Yeah. It was just the first one when we logged chats. We didn't have logs before that. So. That information is lost to the sands of time. Okay, but what I wanted to show you is web blueprints GitHub. So in push, this is one of the there's push and pull requests. Yeah, no, not that one, this one. So we make this token, and this is a GitHub API request that I that we can usually avoid. So I would like to change this to avoid it when possible. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Oh. Oh. This one... I do actually need the token. Okay, so that one we won't be able to change. That's fine. But let's do push first, since that one's going to be the easiest. So basically what I'm going to do here is not grab this token up front, and only grab it when it is needed. We're just going to duplicate the code a little bit, but it is a desirable outcome. Oh god, what am I doing? Here we go. And then we dedent all of this. Then we need to do this here. And then we need to do one more. Kind of gross. What does map I have to say? Is building. My pipe, please. Oh, it's happy. Okay, cool. You guys feel super tired after work? Yeah. Yeah, I do. Yep. Oh shit! I think this is the last part, right before it's done. It's potato chips! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, that's gonna ruin stream compression. Hopefully you're having a good day. This kiwi. Welcome, welcome. Are you done yet? Nope. Are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. I feel like after work, I just want to eat and go to sleep. Yeah. It's Potato Chips has just finished my code for today, so I came to relax. Well, welcome, welcome. Hopefully you had a relaxy. What? We can do this. And that'll make this slightly less bad, I think. What is MyPy gonna have to say about it, though? Context lib is not defined. Context manager is not valid as a type. Okay. Not what I expected. Context lib. Context manager. Are you happy now? Ooh. Are you happy now? Cardio is evil but good? Cardio is great. I love cardio. So he made a big gross sneeze when he had snot coming out of his nose. Oh no. He was able to lick it clean. Ugh. He's gonna lick you with the same tongue? Yeah. Yeah. That is, it's dogs, yeah. I like dogs though. I am definitely a dog person. Cats always want to kill me. So I'm definitely not a cat person. So the problem with this is I don't know that... Flygate sees this all linearly, so even if I commented this out and put this as if true, I don't think the linter would catch it. Which is kind of a problem. Like, it makes this code a little bit error prone. But we can fix that, because these are all just setting commit status. We can actually change this up here to be status. Yeah, let's do that. I'll make it easier. Status. Date. Target URL stir. Description stir. Another camper. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Sarcastic Dante is here. How you doing, Sarcastic Dante? Welcome back. Good to see you again. With this as token, we run the U. Commit state target URL description. Oh, I do send that. Okay. Okay. Anybody says, how are the builds going? Right, this one is done, which means our prediction is a yes. Congratulations on your points. This one is still going, so we can make another prediction. Yes, all of the predictions today. Pretty sure this is going to succeed as well. Val says you can write me in code. What does that mean? How you doing, Val? Welcome back. Like one of his Python girls? Yeah. What? Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's change this. Status. And let's make this keyword only. Yes. State equals error. So we can just doot. Yes, like so. Yes, this is much better. Much better. Gonna format? Yeah. Argument state as incompatible type. Oh, it's probably supposed to be state. Literal, yeah. Web, GitHub API. There should be a state, status state. GitHub API.list. I'm gonna just hit you with the cap. All right, I got you. Updated version with 69k. What? What? You put in 69k? God damn. That's a lot of points. Man, DDoS is gonna win so many points if it's no. Don't let me down. Yeah. Yeah, there's a dict in here because it's a type alias. Because I am still in 3.8. But I will be upgrading to 3.10. Assuming Lambda has support for it. Well, that's not a good sign. That was August. 3.9. Oh. Amazon. Oh. Yeah, we'll be upgrading at some point, but as soon as I go to 3.9, this can be little d instead of big D. How many points do you have, updated version? How many points do you have left, I guess? Guessing Dante says, I was wondering what binaries are available on Frequency I. Rust can't access cargo directly, but they can access Rust format. Yeah, so if you're language Rust, you will have cargo available. But if you're not language Rust, then you won't have cargo available. Rust is one of the conditional languages. Hey, what's up, Majestic Mac? When will we get Python 4? I think it'll never come, from what I understand. Or if it does come, it'll be a big C API rewrite. But I don't control it at all. Those Pokemon streams were OP for points? Yeah. Yeah. As long as you believed. Oh, you mean the shiny streams? Yeah, those generate a lot of points. Those were just like bet no, get points, basically. Until the one time it was not. Oh shit! You get to keep your points today. Well, actually, we gotta check one thing first. Runbooks, quick test, distrib. Oh, cool. We'll check one thing first. I'm pretty sure you get to keep your points. The Tyrantrum one? Oh my god, that one was so painful. That was so painful. Rich get richer feels bad, man. Yeah, that is a prediction, yes. Prediction. Choose outcome, yes. Okay. But will this work? I think it will. Try it. Giving up an equal split of my 2k points? Yeah, yeah. Karma says most of mine comes here from being here and watching the streams diligently. Hey, there you go. There you go. Gained 25 points. Oof. Early there. Alright, this will be the first jammy release that we do, assuming that it actually succeeds. That's not my password. Just put a V there? Probably just put a V there. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Pay no attention to this. It's okay. Everything's fine. That should have put Jammy on the map. Somewhere. No? What happened? I didn't get an email for success or failure. Can Ristox access the network? No, nothing can. It can access network at install time, but not at runtime. The fuck? I don't know what happened here. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. It does not appear to have uploaded. But it says it uploaded it right here. Successfully uploaded packages. Premise says, I will say, watching playbooks run is certainly fun. That's what I'm doing all day. Nice. Welcome to lag. Usually it happens instantly, though. I don't know what's going on here. What are you doing? It's also possible that jammy uploads are not enabled yet. Although, no, because we made one. We did one here. This one worked. Fuck. Yeah, that worked fine. Oh, no, that's bionic. Oh. I don't know. I guess we'll just wait. We'll get it later. The tags are pushed, so at least if I need to re-release it, it's not a big deal. Okay. So, now that we've done these, I'm going to upload both of those, and this is going to make people grumbly again. But that's just the way things go. And then we have to do the nightlies at 3.9, then we have to do 3.8. We also have to do jammy at 3.9. Oh boy. Okay. That's going to make people grumbly, but it's going to check an issue off my list. And then we'll do 3.9 nightly, which should be easy. It should be just copy paste. UPG key. I've never seen that before. Oh, it worked the second time. Grumbly, why? Why is the nightly going to be grumbly, or why is 3.8 going to be grumbly? 3.8's going to be grumbly because I don't have source for it. The nightlies are going to be grumbly because I actually don't remember what I said. Which thing was I grumbly to? I'm going to be grumbly about everything. The nightlies are going to be, should be actually pretty easy. 3.8's going to suck, though. Oh, why are people going to be grumbly? People are going to be grumbly because it's going to cause an update error because I moved one of the files from one of the packages to another. Which I didn't realize broke the installer, but it breaks the installer. So people will have to purge and then unpurge. I'll just have to fucking suck it. This one. Yeah. But yeah, there's some stuff I can do about it, but not without a shit ton of work. And, you know, they can just uninstall and reinstall. Yeah, this is the problem that they got before. This should be fixed now. However, there will be one round of I have still needed to alignment. And I guess I will why is this box so small? Python 3.9, Python 3.10, and Python 3.11. Okay, so the question is, did the 3.9 ones show up there? They also did not show up. So, Launchpad working? What? Press X to doubt. Oh, it's a third-party site. Maybe it's not. $2021 is the last time they posted. There's no way that's up to date. It's a lot of releases to do. Is this all because of the rebasing the Debian patches? Yep. A soft ban? God, I hope not. Still relatively recent. Yeah, I guess it's only like 3 months ago. God, my brain still has not come to terms with the just void of time between 2019 and now. Kakeo, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Don't mind me just having a little existential crisis. 2020 was 7 years ago. 2020 was fucking yesterday, Wex. That's the problem, man. It feels like it was yesterday. Ooh, do not need to cry on stream. That is not a thing that we need to do today. Nope. I don't know why I'm getting emotional about time. Sounds fucking meta too. I'm gonna reclone this just because it definitely updated since I last cloned it. Okay, so I think for this it's actually very easy. I just need to copy over the Debian directory and reapply patches. Hey, you're finally awake. Buddha Kim, welcome, welcome. It's still 1996 for me. And thank you for the follow, Buddha Hakim. X Nilo, how you doing? Good to see you again. I forgot you had a founder's badge. Fancy. Today, two guys are running Terraform all day using our Jenkins pipeline, but specifying different state files. The whole infrastructure is spread across 2 state files. Oh my god. Oh, that's fucked. Oh, that sucks so much. Oh. Why is this one still master? Text says, congrats on the new job. What was the reason for the move, if you don't mind me asking? Oh, well, fortunately for you, I have answered that in a YouTube video. One very much viewed video about why I left Stripe. In fact, my CEO told me today that he watched this video with his wife. Elky's here. How you doing? Anthony writing code? Kind of. From future and post-pandemic. Yeah. We're more packaging today than writing code. Are you milking devs? What is Stripe? They're the largest online payments provider, I think. Big company. Big company. Okay, get branch. We need to CP. We need to check out Bionic first. Get rid of the Debian directory. And we need to disable PGOLTO. Because we don't run LTO on the nightlies because it's a waste of time. And then we run git diff and poke at it and see what we need to undo or redo. Definitely need to do that. I'll do that real quick. And add those. We gotta figure out what we discard here. All looks fine. That actually all looks fine too. There should be a news file somewhere that I have to undo. I'm gonna add everything except for that news file. Define this. And delete that. Cool. And nice. And then we need to do sync Debian directory with upstream. Oh, colon on there. And refresh the patches. We don't even have to do that. I'm just going to trust that that works, and if it doesn't work, I will fix it tomorrow. Now I got to do focal. Actually pretty easy. Anthony facilitates gambling. Yeah, there we go. Big company. Yes. Big bring back Pokemon streams. I haven't really played in a while. But yeah. Xnow says, how was your first day? It went well. I'm actually on my second week now. Yeah. I'm already leading quarterly planning, so we're really diving right in. Yeah. I am proposing my first major development shift as well, which is we are going to write fewer. I'm going to propose that we write less bash. Which is always a good idea, right? Fine. Rejected, yeah. Pastel de fruta. Welcome, welcome. I'm new here. What are you doing? We are packaging Python. If you do bang today, you can learn more about it. Spyro the Dragon. Welcome back. Anthony Bash is on Bash. Yeah, Bash sucks. Don't ride Bash. Don't ride Bash, kids, unless you absolutely have to. Check out Debian changelog. And now we need to find that news file in that thing. News file. I gotta make sure everything else looks good. Oh, we gotta turn off LTO and PTO. Okay, so we're on the same side and the same way. Stay till you'll seem like. Okay, that looks good. Make. Oh, that's funny. I must not have cleaned up my docs changes from before. Debian control. Nice. And, oh, no. We don't want to do that. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Ugh. Alright. That's why I didn't end. Cool. Okay, so that should in theory make 3.9 nightly done. Let me make sure I push this. Good, perfect. What's the alternative? Write something in a language that doesn't suck, like Python? I mean, Python sucks, but makefiles. So that's funny. The original code was all in makefiles, and so then they moved from makefiles to shell scripts, which I feel like is not much of an improvement. Dumpster Dev, hello, welcome. PowerShell, yeah. That's just bash with extra steps, yeah. So now it's makefiles that call shell scripts. But my proposal is going to be makefiles that call, probably makefiles that call shell that call Python, or just cut the makefile out. I don't know why we make. That's at least the proposal. So then we can write tests for our build instead of just hoping it works and waiting until developers complain that it doesn't work. Okay, so that's 3.9. Still need to figure out why I'm not getting updates. Oh, I did get updates. Took a while. 3.11 Alpha 7 Jammy 1 accepted. 3.9.12 Vocal 2 accepted. Bionic 2 accepted. Should be building now. "17 packages building." That doesn't sound right. Well, I guess it's each architecture. Yeah, probably fine. Nayla, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. 2 weeks ago, some dude changed the name of a Google project in Terraform, thinking it would just run in that project. Instead, it nuked everything in the original project. Yeah. Yeah, when you don't understand how Terraform works, then things go poorly. Very poorly. Okay, so that's 3.9. I still have to do 3.8 and 3.7 and 3.6. And maybe 3.5. Not gonna do. I might not even do 3.6. But I have to at least do 3.8 and 3.7. Sucks. Oh. Wait, we can do another... We can do another jammy one. Jammy, 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 jammy. Ubuntu jammy. We can make a jammy one. Jammy one. Package focal for jammy. That probably would have worked. I think I have an alias for that. I'm just gonna make sure the build starts, and then assuming the build actually gets to the part where it starts doing the PGO things. That's the worst part. They even did a terraform plan. Who reads the output? Yeah, exactly. Terraform plant. Yeah. 54,000 deletions. 543,000 deletions. Whoa. Whoa. That's quite the deletions. That's not far enough to know yet. I guess we can start on 3.8 though. Where am I going to copy 3.8 from? Focal? Or do I copy from 3.9? When was fast LTO added? God, I hope it's in 3.8. Actually, I hope it's in 3.7. Pretty sure it was 3.9 though. 3.8. We import lib ASAP. Okay. Interesting. Where's the rest of this file? Oh, there is a PGO file. Maybe it was added in 3.8. Oh. There's no way it's in 3.7 then, right? Yeah, that file doesn't even exist. Where's the argument parsing? Man line. Oh, there is a PGO option here. What does it do though? What? PGO and verbose don't go together. Okay. Okay, I think it was added in 3.8. Python 3.8 changelog. Yeah, this is what I was thinking of. Oh. Is this what I was thinking of? No, this is not what I was thinking of. This is what I was thinking of. Yeah, this is what I was thinking of. Cool. So it is there in 3.8. That's good. But not in 3.7. So I think that means... Oh, we need to check the configure arg as well. Oh, 3.8's gonna suck. It's not that old, but it's so old. Oh, there is libdir. That is a thing. Oh, we can maybe use that. Taka says, any thoughts on Dino? I feel like it was slightly too radical to be successful, although it has lots of stars. I don't use it, and I don't know anyone that uses it. I don't know. Hard forking Node for professional reasons is questionable. So, but I don't know. Some of the ideas are nice, like security first, but like forking the biggest ecosystem doesn't seem like a successful strategy. Okay, what I'm going to do is Python 3.8 Launchpad. See what versions I can get this from. Oh, we can actually get this from Focal. Oh, of course, because Focal ships with 3.8. What am I saying? What am I saying? Mel says how to be a good developer. If you find out, let me know. Yeah. Al Gore has redeemed Type Racer. Whoa. See if I can remember how to open it, because they changed everything. I have my password. Racer, yes. Yay. Oh. Oh, they fixed it. Was it only fucked up because of April Fools, and they've gone back to the old one? Alright, let's see if they've fixed my bug, though. They have not fixed my bug. Oh, also, easy mode or hard mode, Al Gore. Easy mode or hard mode. You gotta tell me whether it's easy mode or hard mode. I just want to flex some points. Yeah, easy mode or hard mode. I'm an iOS developer, but I feel I need to be better. Easy mode. Okay. You will get 2 rounds of easy mode then. A little slash in there. Make sure to click join. And then we will do one. I've never spent that many points. Where'd you get them all from? Linky, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Boy. Ugh. Oh, we're off today. Wow, that was awful. 95? What am I even doing? Who got 103? Who was zooming? Who was zooming today? I satisfied. Hello, hello. Oh god, what have you done? What have you done? Well, that's not terrible. Alright, we'll do one more. God, that was awful. I didn't even break 100. Flexing points, I see. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing? How to use the keyboard like me? I type poorly, so you probably don't want to use this precisely like I do it. Maybe you want to actually touch type, but I'm off today, chat. I'm like super slow today. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. We're gonna do one more. I gotta be over 100. This is absurd. This is just really, this is slow for me. I'm embarrassing myself. I don't know what's going on. It's just rough. Okay, there we go. I flipped a switch and suddenly we're good. I just need to focus. I just need to get in there. 126. There we go. Lord of the Rings. Yeah. All right. Anyway, thank you for the redeem. Appreciate it. Don't forget to breathe. Yeah. Is that my fastest ever? How do I view stats? Fuck you. I can do it. 127 on both realms. Anyway, thank you for the redeem. Appreciate it. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the first two race Anthony was. I don't know who the fuck that was. We got a get up thing. What do we got to get up today? Air installing environment. Ooh. Hmm. 310.2. It's another one. Brew. Yeah, what the fuck? I suspect this is a duplicate of this. Can you try the commands there and see if it's the same problem? Oops, is that gonna double post? Hopefully not. Lord of the Wings for the win. Lord of the Wings. I can't fucking talk today. Vic, welcome. I got one dem there Microsoft Oracle keyboards too, by the way, without the gash in the middle though. Gash is such a vulgar way to to say that. Borna, welcome. How you doing? Mikeo X Mall. Welcome. How you doing? But yeah, this is a nifty little theme. I wonder what it looks like for Python. Oh, that's not good. Oh, that's not good. Failed to build these modules. Decimal. Fuck. I think I remember the reason for this. Fix the decimal one. I think I'm just gonna remove that line. Ooh, comments are really hard to read in this theme. Let's try rebuilding that. You need to get used to it. The buttons have such weird sizes. Yeah. 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 I will let that rebuild. Oh, while we figure out what to do here. Oh, it's just Bionic. This isn't it. Hey, it's Jason. Hello. Helps 3912 used to be in Jammy, but they removed it like a week and a half ago, so I might be able to use that as a working starting point. No, we already have a working starting point. It's just MP decimal. The SO name changed, and I don't care about bundling MP deck. Debian probably would, but I'm not gonna carry a patch when it's easy to just turn it off. How you doing? Good to see you again. Well, good to see you again. It says first time chatter, but I know you. I know you. But yeah, Canonical shifted a lot of packages recently, which is why I waited until the week before release to do this. Twitch lies? No, Twitch is this is their first message in chat. I just know them in real life. So it's a little cheaty. Oh, but 3.8. I'm gonna try and copy from upstream 3.8 just to see what the differences are, and then I'm gonna copy from 3.9 because I know this one works, and I think the diffs are gonna be pretty easy to do. But if we do this, Debian to here, we're gonna see a lot of differences, and that's fine. Hmm. Why is this different? It's not just written. The docs. Okay, I can ignore that. We do need to discard this. We can copy this from 3.9. Oh, that's fine. Get rid of that. Those. We don't run the Debian test. We can get rid of those. And then it's just down to patches. And this. And the rules file. This actually looks like we can copy from 3.9. We turned off dtrace because reasons. Docs. Ooh, is 3.8 when it switched from being M to not M? I don't recall. Schlibs. Yeah, okay, we can copy for 3.9. Whew, that makes this way easier. Doing pretty well. Totally makes sense. I was quite early on trying to add support, and that was foolish. Not to say I told you so, but I'm sure you got there in the end, though. I'm sure Amazon's datasets know that you've commingled before, and perhaps. J-Man's here. I already said that. Okay, so I am going to discard Debian patches. Actually, I'm just going to discard Debian. Then I'm going to copy from 3.9. Before we do that, I need to check. Do we build TK here? Not. Is that because 3.8 builds TK? I actually want to copy from Focal. Shit. I need to build my water, so I'm going to do that real quick. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Toad, welcome, welcome. What was I doing here? I started a Docker container for some reason. I think I was verifying that 3.8 is already in Bionic. And yeah. So we need to do the RM version of this. Check out Ubuntu Focal. Oh, this is gonna fail in a bunch of ways. How do we fail? It's the fastest. With PGO and LTO to disable. Get diff Debian script. This one we gotta change. Why is this down here? No. Yes? Yeah, we want to drop both of those things. Okay. I think I actually want to discard both of these things. Although... let's see what it says. We'll look at what's in libpython minimal. It is typing in here. It is not. Okay. What about file comp? Also not. Okay, so we discard this. Oh, did I do the wrong thing here? No, we added. Good. All right, what changes here? Discard that. And we discard that because TZ info is not added for. Checkout, discard, yes. And then yes, and then no. So we definitely need to check out that. No. Yes. And then I don't know. I know it looks like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. This is a lot of guessing and kind of doing stuff that I did similarly before, but not 100%. Okay, let's scroll through this diff, see what we got here. 50k, no. Trial and error is a form of true programming. I mean, it is a bit, do be a little bit like that, don't it? I Danana. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. That's certainly weird. That's weird. Full Q developer. Oh my god, I love that name. What camera are you using for your keyboard cam? Oh, it's off center. What's that? Maybe that's why my typing was fucked up earlier. I have several cameras right now. The one that's pointing at me is a Sony A6400. This one that's pointing down here, kind of a not a great camera. Well, it works. It gets the job done. It is a Logitech C920. However, it is a very old version of it. I think I originally got it in like 2008. It is a 15-year-old webcam. They have done more releases of the same model in newer years that are nicer versions of the same camera. But I think I got mine like the year it was released. E920 release. Okay, I am off by a few years, but not by that many. 2012. So it's a 10-year-old camera. Not 15, 10-year-old. Still a lot of years, but and then I have another camera. The old keyboard camera, which is supposed to be a document camera. I don't know if it works anymore because I haven't plugged it in 10 years. You could mirror the keyboard camera. You want to see something else that's funny about the keyboard camera? Now I can have little T-Rex arms. But mirroring? Yeah, mirroring would be pretty wild. Transform. Put it back. What happens if we mirror it? Flip. Play? I mean, it still looks kind of normal. It looks kind of normal, though. It's really fucking weird, though. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna put that back. It's a good idea, though. Anyway. Dunsel Rancy says, random question. When you are programming but not streaming, do you ever catch yourself making up commentary as if you had an audience? Yo, I talk to myself all the fucking time. That also isn't new. I talked to myself before I streamed. Although admittedly, most of the talking to myself when I'm not streaming is me being like, what the fuck is this shit? Who let you write this? But yeah. Thinking of adding a keyboard cam on my stream. It's nice to see that at least one other streamer thinks it's a good idea. I mean, I mostly did it because it looks cool. No other practical reason. But I've been saying to myself, yo, I sing to myself all day. All day. All of a sudden your right hand is typing way more. Yeah. Chris is here. How you doing, Chris? Good to see you again. Got the whole OCF crew in here. Gotta flip the Twitch logo to mess with people and mirror it. Yeah. Well, I'm balls deep in Debian packaging today. Probably why y'all showed up, right? This actually seems mostly fine. <sighs> 3-7 is gonna suck though. Why are those RMs there and not down here? I guess it doesn't matter. Hopefully. We'll find out. Ugh. I'm gonna trust that this is correct though. I think this is actually what we want. I'm gonna turn off LTO and PGO and run the builds. Sync with upstream Debian. We're gonna turn off PGO and LTO so that it goes faster. Where is the PGO? Temporarily disable PTO. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, this should fail. For being one of the friendliest people on all of Twitch, post a screenshot of a terminal output and get an issue and see how friendly he is. Yeah. Don't do that. Please no. Oh, my stickers have shipped. Nice. I ordered stickers because I'm going to be at PyCon 2022. So if any of you are going to be there as well, stop by, say hi. I showed this without doxing myself. No, so we will take a screenshot of the stickers that I got. These are the stickers that I will have at PyCon. Pigment stickers, Python stickers, A2EC hello hello, and some A2EC carpet. This says that I will arrive tomorrow, so maybe we'll know by tomorrow. Maybe I'll show them on stream, or I'll take pictures and put them in the Discord. But they rotated this. So the funny thing is they rotated this to print rounded corner stickers because it's cheaper for them to manufacture. But they didn't give me the discount on it. Because those are supposed to be... They're supposed to be less expensive than what they charged me for. But I don't give a shit. It's like $10. But yeah, stickers. Come to PyCon to get stickers. We'll stop you from ruining all of the compression. But yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to fix the sysconfig data patch and the other patch and this patch. So we've had to do that with all the other ones. Oh, this succeeded. Would you look at that? Is this? Hello? What? What the fuck? What are these numbers? Why did it print those out? Hope that's not a key. If it is, I just showed it on stream a bunch of times. But yeah, this looks good. I think this was the jammy build. This says focal. Oh, because we changed branches. Change branches in the middle though. This is jammy output for sure. Yeah, this is jammy output for sure. Oh, but I can't do this while this other one's running. We can. Tippecanoe! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. What are we building? If you do bang today, you can find the answer to that. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again. No, don't sneeze again. Oh. I hope I'm not getting sick. That would suck. Getting sick sucks. It's the COVID. No. And talk about run books release. I don't have allergies, so it might just be dust. I mean, everyone's allergic to dust. Frank. Where does the phrase "to be frank" come from? Like, what the fuck did Frank do? Etymology. Hold on, this terrible. Frank used to mean free. The Franks were the free people. Saying you're speaking frankly means you are speaking freely. Does this mean France can be roughly interpreted as free country? Not really. Well, they were a Germanic tribe. Interesting. Interesting. Cool. Frankly ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah. What was I doing? Oh, that build failed. Okay, good. Oh, we gotta catch this before the time runs out. GBG key, let's go. Okay, cool. Cannot stat. Leap download. Yeah, this is familiar. This is indeed familiar. Before I forget what I did, I'm gonna reclone this just because I could probably just fetch. Not setting as its own upstream. Yeah, I want origin, ubuntu jammy. Okay, should be up to date. Good, perfect, cool. Oh shit, I based this off the wrong thing, didn't I? Should have based this off of... This is gonna be missing TK. Shit, this package is wrong. Ah! How do I fix this? I actually want to pull it from Bionic. Yeah, because we want all those. Shit. Balls that one up. Not looking too good when you have two fingers on the head? What do you mean? Hey, what's up, Zithrius? How you doing? Oh, I fucked that up. What the fuck? What is this error message? Oh, I might have this backwards. I'm an idiot. A long day. Repackage Bionic for jamming. We need to do this as well. Finish for this. Okay, this should be right now. Yeah. That looks better. Cool. And 100 commits. Oh, because I just merged unrelated history. Uh, let's not do it that way. I think if I just rebase on this, it'll work. It'll turn the merge into a... Yeah, let's start this over. This is what I actually want to do. 3 commit set. That looks a little better. Okay. Let's do this instead. This is like NVM for Node. It's a little bit different. It's system packages. Julian says maybe they should build a tool to verify you're on the right branch. How does it work? Don't know. I'm just the visionary guy. Kamika says, want to hear a very niche knock-knock joke that's in season these days that I think you in particular will understand. Yes, let's knock away. Cheeky. Is it a chest-based chest? Is it a chess-based knock-knock joke? What's head carrot? So carrot is the previous commit. So if you do get rev, let's just do get log. If we do get rev parse head, that'll show us our current commit, which is this one here. If we do head carrot, that's 1 commit back. This is 2 commits back, and this is a whole fuck ton of commits back. Knock who's there, bongo. E4, E5. Vienna who? I don't. Or is the joke blunder? What's the joke? You need to know the answer. Or is Stonkfish gonna play the joke? Are we now playing chess in chat? Okay, what was I doing? Where was I doing it? And how? We were in 3.8, that's what we're doing. Fuck, what was the error? I don't even remember. But we want to be on focal in there. So we're on deadsnakes? Yeah, we're on 3.8 now. And we have to do 3.7. 1 E4 who? I don't know what it's supposed to be. I don't know how the joke is supposed to progress. Whether it's supposed to be a chess move or not. Git diff, no index, Debian, super tab complete patches. Okay. Can't make 2 moves in a row now, can I? It's true. Imagine if you could, though. Okay. We might be missing. This is the one we're missing. I was hoping for a Bong Cloud joke. I was gonna tell you one, but you never played a move. God damn it! Yeah, let's just do E5, Stonkfish. D1. That's not even a legal move, right? Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the patch we need. Do we need anything else here, though? I don't think that patch is relevant. Oh, wait. Oh, it's different because upstream applied the patch. Yeah, I know now. God, imagine it's just that one patch. That would be easy town. That seems sus. As to we should also see that LTO patch somewhere as well. This one. We need to do this one as well. Okay, so notes to do. We need this in which patch name and which file? This file and this patch. And we need to do the other one. Where are you at though? We just need this patch entirely. What else we got? Looking for big blobs. Ooh, this seems relevant. We need to, what patch is that one? Shh. And make file pre-in. Actually looks familiar. This is basically what we had to do for the other ones as well. That is symbols shit. Okay, that's not too bad. uh, 1 E4 E5 2 KE2 tis the season. Is it because it's 420 where you are, Kinbiko? uh, 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 love me a Bon Cloud joke. Week 2. I think we'll just actually. We'll just add that patch directly. Debian patches 0029 dest shared to Debian patches. Dest shared location. It's weird that I already have this one though. You're 2 ahead. Why? Fuck. That's not good. Why not? Because it's white space different? That's so stupid. Wait, those look the same. You'll fucking lie to. Anyway. Shit. I didn't mean to close out of that. No. Here's the goddamn thing. There's supposed to be a little marker here. What was the number that we had here, just so they match? Oh, would you look at that? Okay. Cool. We'll take it. Nothing screams freelancer like senior principal software architect and director. Oh. This screams cringe. Yeah, we gotta make our notes again. Notes. This one. This but reversed. This is in lib. This util sysconfig.py. One more if I remember correctly. In multi-arch. And makefile.pre.in. We need to get rid of this patch. Yeah, see, it has the right thing here. Maybe that's only in this. Lib dist util sysconfig linker so. Okay. Now this one. We need to remove the change there. This is not supposed to be multi-arch. In theory, this will work now. Sync with Debian upstream. But do we want to bet on it working? We probably don't want to bet on it working. Because I gotta eat dinner. So I'm gonna play with this offline. That will have to wrap us up for today. But let me do my little spiel, and then we will find a channel to send you off to. I think our favorite Twitch staffer might be streaming today. But yeah, let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. Oh, announcements first. I will be at PyCon 2022 next week. So if you're in town, stop by, say hi. I will have stickers. So be friendly and don't be weird. But yes, my name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Today's video is about remote work, so if you're interested in that, check that out. If you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch previous streams, I upload those to my second channel. So subscribe to either of those if those interest you. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. Gonna get so many stalkers? God, I hope not. I hope the code of conduct protects me from stalkers. I don't know if it does. We'll see. Anyway, I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is Twitter, and that is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what we're going to do. And yeah, then we do it. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join. It's a fun little place to hang out. There's a bunch of smart people if you want to ask programming questions, but there's also a bunch of fun social channels as well. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.